In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the email address on your Intuit account for TurboTax and other Intuit products. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to expect, and how to confirm the update so your new email is used everywhere across your Intuit services. Before you begin, make sure you can access your current email or phone for verification, and that you have your new email address ready. Using a trusted browser on a secure device will help everything go smoothly. Start by signing in to your Intuit account through the Intuit Account Manager page. This is the central place where you manage personal details and security settings for all Intuit products. Once you're signed in, look for the section labeled Sign In and Security. This is where Intuit keeps options related to your login, contact details, and identity protection. Within Sign In and Security, locate the email address field. Select Edit or the corresponding change option you see on your screen. At this point, Intuit may ask you to verify your identity. That's normal and helps protect your account from unauthorized changes. Choose to receive a confirmation code at your existing email or your phone number on file. When the code arrives, enter it exactly as shown. These codes can expire quickly, so it helps to keep that inbox or messaging app open while you complete the process. After you've passed verification, enter your new email address carefully. Double check the spelling. Typos here can delay the update. Save your changes. Now, watch your new email inbox for a message from Intuit. Open that email and select the verification link to confirm the change. If you don't see the message, give it a minute, then check your spam or junk folder. Links can expire, so it's best to verify as soon as you receive the email. If needed, you can resend the verification from the same account manager page. Once you've clicked the verification link and it's confirmed, your new email address is officially tied to your Intuit account. That means it will be used for all Intuit products, including your 2023 TurboTax account. In some cases, you may need to sign out and sign back in with the new email to see the change reflected everywhere. From now on, notifications, receipts, and account recovery messages will go to the new address. That's it. You've successfully updated and verified your email, keeping your Intuit account up to date and secure.